In the realm of science, a single thread of knowledge intertwines with countless discoveries, linking data points like stars in the cosmos. Welcome to Introduction to Bioinformatics Webtools, where we begin our quest to navigate through biological complexity aided by technology's light. Bioinformatics, a symphony of biology, computer science, and informational technology, deciphers life's essence. We embark with Webtools, digital extensions of a researcher's intellect, enabling acute insight into biological data. They unlock genetic secrets and navigate the genomic seas, essential as the telescope to the astronomer. They equip us to climb mountains of data and interpret life's code. Equipped with bioinformatics web tools, researchers decipher genetic sequences that narrate the story of life. As we edge toward the heart of our exploration, we will experience web tools not merely as functions, but as characters in bioinformatics' unfolding epic. Join us as we unlock one discovery after another, questing to understand life's very blueprint. Continuing our odyssey in the vast bioinformatics universe, we cast our sights on robust data repositories like the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, and Ensemble. These digital libraries are the biologist's atlas, guiding us through genomic landscapes. We don't simply acknowledge their existence, we embark on a thematic exploration to effectively harness their offerings for scientific inquiry and discovery. With every selected nucleotide or gene variant, our knowledge and potential expand. As we master these databases, we find stories in life's code and gain indispensable tools for unwrapping life's intricate data. This is only the prologue. Join us as we delve deeper into the pivotal narrative of bioinformatics web tools. Embark on a journey to uncover connections between life's building blocks with our toolkit of sequence alignment instruments like BLAST and clustAlOmega, gateways to discovery. BLAST serves as our detective's glass, seeking matches across vast genetic databases, and clustAlOmega aligns different DNA, RNA, or protein strands, revealing conserved regions and their significance. These tools enable us to compare sequences with exacting precision, assembling life's molecular narrative. As we traverse this ocean of sequences, BLAST and clustAlOmega become our compass and map, essential in our mission to understand the living world. Stay tuned as these tools join an interconnected web that propels bioinformatics research ahead. Our narrative now weaves through the framework of phylogenetic analysis tools, with the Phylogenetic Analysis Tools segment shedding light on species ancestry and relationships. Tools like MEGA, the Molecular Evolutionary Genetics Analysis software, sketch genome maps guiding us through evolutionary pathways. In approximately 21,5091 words, we recognize phylogenetic trees' significance, our shared legacy encoded in every living being's DNA. These tools do more than trace lineage. They unlock secrets of disease resilience, biodiversity, and connectedness in nature. We marvel at the interconnectedness of species and anticipate pivoting towards understanding the proteins shaping our existence. The next chapter in our scientific exploration awaits. We pause to appreciate life's molecular complexity, focusing on protein structures and their function, possible due to the Protein Data Bank (PDB) and advanced modeling techniques. These tools, enhancers of medical innovation and drug design, transform data into detailed protein maps. Expertly visualizing proteins predicts interactions and biological processes, which is instrumental in drug discovery and disease mechanisms. As we journey forward, recall that unraveling protein form leads to grasping its function. Our next dive will be into the computational universe of genomic analysis platforms that make sense of life's diverse genetic orchestrations. As we journey to Segment 5, Genomic Analysis Platforms, Galaxy exemplifies the sophistication in genomic research. With Galaxy and platforms like it, users unlock the equation of genomic complexity, aligning simplicity with analysis sophistication, bringing raw data into a discernible form. Like our journey's previous steps, Galaxy's insights assist us beyond genomic data, communicating with previously explored protein tools. We advance, enlightened by Galaxy's scope, towards the revelation of transcriptomic data analysis, where cells' language becomes intelligible, yielding pathways to future discoveries. The pioneering tide of data analysis now brings us to the evolving realm of RNA with transcriptomic data analysis. RNA-seq technology leads this advance, sequencing RNA's diverse types and revealing the dynamism of gene regulation. These tools offer more than static snapshots. They unveil life's operatic range in motion. Our voyage carries on, with each data strand contributing to the unified tapestry that is bioinformatics. Stay with us as we continue to demystify living organisms and spotlight avenues for new discoveries. Venturing into metagenomics and microbiome analysis, we zoom in on microbial worlds overflowing with information. Metagenomics, empowered by tools like KIME, liberates us from conventional limitations, exploring ecology at a microscopic scale. In this chapter, we don't stop at identifying species. We also seek out symbiotic relationships shaping ecosystems. As we dive into this microbial universe, we recognize how this venture aids medicine, agriculture, and climate change studies. The unfolding saga discloses the combined power of bioinformatics web tools. Pivoting to proteomics, mass spectrometry emerges as a transformative player in protein analysis. It measures ions to unveil protein identities and interactions, enhancing our comprehension of biological functions. The analogy of navigating a dense forest rings true here, with mass spectrometry as our navigator. It peers into the proteome's depths, shedding light on the elaborate cellular choreography. This segment encapsulates the ongoing story of proteomics, where mass spectrometry empowers researchers to decode life's molecular details like never before. As we transition to systems biology and network analysis, our exploration canvases the biological networks with tools like Cytoscape. These maps provide insights into cellular responses, genetic regulation, and metabolism, crucial elements for developing advanced therapies. Bioinformatics thereby shifts from studying isolated particles to assessing entire systems, redefining scientific curiosity and enabling personalization in medicine. As we progress, Cytoscape exemplifies the seamless integration of visualization and analysis, beckoning further discovery. The narrative broadens as we anticipate exploring the convergence of bioinformatics and machine learning. Within bioinformatics' choreographed data symphony, machine learning ascends as a vital contributor to scientific evolution, clarifying complexities and anticipating previously inarticulated patterns. In Segment 10, Machine Learning in Bioinformatics, we observe the synergy of AI's pattern recognition with biological intricacies, predictive modeling, and pattern deciphering, revealing untapped scientific narratives. This transformative era extends beyond the theoretical, harnessing data to predict outcomes and inspire new biological understandings. With this segment's conclusion, we glimpse a future aglow with the potential of machine learning's integration in research. As our journey concludes, we reflect on the extensive exploration of the bioinformatics landscape and its indispensable web tools. From the genesis of data retrieval to machine learning's predictive prowess, we traversed a variety of tools, decoding life's intricate patterns within every protein, gene, and interaction. This expedition has enlightened us to the connectivity of all life and the transformative impact of integrative technologies. As trailblazers within this digital biosphere, our narrative continues within each researcher and student, eager to unravel the mysteries written in the DNA, eager to weave new chapters of discovery. The canvas of the future invites you to blend your insights into this unfolding tapestry, lighting the way for discoveries yet unseen. Our gratitude abounds for your companionship on this voyage of educational enlightenment.